Have you ever noticed Steam crawling along with downloads taking forever or games struggling to update? Today, I'm going to show you exactly how to fix Steam's slow disk usage so your downloads and updates run smoothly again. First, open your Steam application. Double-click the icon on your desktop or find it in your Start menu. Once it's open, log in with your account credentials. After logging in, you'll land on the Steam homepage where all your games and downloads live. Next, focus on the top left corner and click the Steam menu. From there, go to Settings, then select Downloads on the left-hand side. Here you'll see an option to Clear Download Cache. Click it and confirm when prompted. This step removes old or corrupted files that can slow down your downloads and often resolves many common Steam issues. Once cleared, restart Steam and log back in. While you're back in Downloads, take a moment to adjust your download region. Choose the server closest to your location to ensure faster, more stable connections. At the same time, check for any pending Steam updates. Running the latest version ensures you have all the bug fixes and performance improvements, which can make a huge difference. Now let's handle a more manual tweak. Open File Explorer and navigate to your C drive. Then go to Program Files x86 and find your Steam folder. Inside, locate the App Cache folder and delete it. Don't worry. Steam will recreate it automatically when needed. This clears out lingering files that could be slowing down disk usage. Finally, restart Steam one last time. After these steps, you should notice significant improvements in download speed, game updates, and overall responsiveness. Try downloading a game to see the difference for yourself. It should feel noticeably faster. By following these simple yet effective steps, you've tackled the main causes of slow disk usage in Steam. Say goodbye to sluggish downloads and hello to smoother, faster gaming. Thanks for watching and enjoy your optimized Steam experience.